Y'all look at my packages. So we are gonna go from biggest to little as far as the haul goes. Did y'all hear that? Oh gosh, I need to be careful. I'm not sure what that was. And yes, this is the wig that was in the previous clip of my Shein shopping spring unboxing. I knew the rest of them would be here today. I believe I'm expecting 1 or 2 more packages and then that's it. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it and resort to voiceover from here on out because I'm just gonna unbox it and kind of give my first impressions. Nothing too deep, nothing too serious. I'm going to get ready to unbox. Okay, let's get into what our first Shein bag contains. It's one of my mini orders for the spring and summer seasons. Shein is not very careful nor efficient with their packaging, especially when it comes to ordering things other than clothing on their site. Not to mention, they obviously forgot one of my shades because I have the black pair and I have the brown pair, but the pink pair was nowhere to be found. Okay. I purchased 2 of these shoe shelf situations. I have to assemble it, which I'll get to later. This right here may look a bit familiar because if you watched my last haul, that video contained the big boy wash bag and this one is a much smaller version. Explain my reaction here shortly. I remember making a purchase of just makeup products from Shein, the SheGlam products. That was actually one of the packages that I wasn't expecting today, but it's looking like all of that is in here. Don't quote me on that yet because like I said, we're unboxing this together, but it's looking like my makeup is in here. That's what it's looking like. Let's just see. So this says SheGlam. Yep, primer. SheGlam primer. I'm so excited because I was not expecting this today. And I can actually use it. I'm going out this evening. I'm so excited. This is the setting spray. I kid you not. I don't know if I've mentioned this before because I just feel like I share everything, but nonetheless, I take my mom's foundation brush often, but I actually bought her that brush as a gift initially. I would not have resorted to using her brush so often if I had my rose water spray. Mind you, I have sponges that I can use to blend my makeup just fine, but with the foundation that I'm using now, I'm at my wit's end with it because it's literally on its last leg, but I need a little extra moisture to get it to blend, and so since I don't have that, I need a really good blending brush. Right. I had very little spray left and she calls that empty, so she tossed it, which is fine. That's just my mother's ways, but of course I was working it to its last leg. I would occasionally kind of take my sponge and like make sure it was a little bit dampened, but other than that, like even on the drive home today, I was thinking to myself, do I need to stop by the beauty gallery and pick me up another rose water setting spray because, like I just mentioned, I am going out this evening, and thank goodness my package came today, because I was not expecting it, because I sure enough checked the tracking. And to my knowledge, it was showing in Texas yesterday, but I guess there was like room for hope because they don't really update tracking using Shein. They have kind of changed things on their site since they launched. Now they have various stores and vendors that sell you various items, and they all use various shipping methods. And so with SheGlam, I was just not expecting it today. I'm just so glad, because now I don't have to go out of my way or spend any extra time doing anything because it's here. Hopefully these products work. Hopefully these products do me well, but you know, we'll see about that as well. But I'm excited. Yay, I get to film a Get Ready With Me. All right. Blush. Yes. Yes, I have a blush. This might be the foundation. Yes, the long-lasting breathable matte foundation. Okay, I'm not done trying out the foundations at SheGlam. They just have such a variety for dark skin, and this one was on sale, so that is mostly the reason why I went with buying this particular shade, which I'll let you know in the Get Ready With Me. This right here is a stand for the shades that you saw to begin with. I just wanted to get a stand for them. I guess this fell out somewhere. I also got a setting powder as far as the makeup goes. Yay, we're done with that package. On to the next one. Content will resume after this brief business promo. What do y'all think about the turnout? That broken rod I just ended up putting on that bottom shelf so that I wouldn't have to worry too much about if it was going to have issues supporting anything. Just tell me how y'all think it turned out.